This is the 12,000 BTU Idylis portable air conditioner that has appeared in a few of my videos before. I wanted to make another video of it and show how much power it draws with the kilowatt meter. This is from 2013 and uses R410A refrigerant. Take a look at the back of it. Here's the model number. This was made by Danby, rated at 10.8 amps. Yeah. Here's the condenser fan, and the compressor is right here. I'll try to get my flashlight on in there. So there's the compressor. It's got, no, it actually doesn't have a sound blanket on it, but the label is facing the wrong way, so I can't tell you what brand it is, but it's a rotary compressor. Kind of hard to see, I know. And then there is the condenser coil right there. A little bit of dust on it. So I'm going to try and get this thing apart someday and clean it out, but it's really not that bad yet. And then here is the evaporator coil up here. Filter. That's pretty clean still. Right here is the water drain for the evaporator. You can take this plug out of here and hook up a hose if you want. There you go. There's also a drain down here. I think that would have been for heat pump models because that's the only way you'd actually get condensation down there. This did come with a remote. I don't have it right now though. Let's go ahead, take a look at the control panel and then start it up. Power button, mode, fan speed, timer, and then temperature up and down. Compressor started right up. Goes down to 61. It's on low fan speed right now. You can already feel it starting to get cold. We're at 7.3 amps and 767 watts. There's the power factor. That's getting warm. This is going to sound different if it has the hose on it, obviously. I didn't bother putting the hose on for this video since we're just testing it in the basement. Right now it's showing the current room temperature, which apparently is about 70 right now. So this thing works pretty well. It's probably not going to be quite as effective as a 12,000 BTU window air conditioner because of the fact that it pulls room air in and blows it outside. Now they do make dual hose models, so they don't pull any room air outside, but this one is just a single hose. But it works pretty well and I like it. The only thing I really don't like about it is when the compressor shuts off and the condenser fan shuts off. It's a very abrupt and noticeable change in sound. It gets very quiet when the condenser fan and compressor shut off. The evaporator fan runs all the time, but it doesn't make much noise. Let's go up to medium, or that's high actually. Medium, low. Up to about 8.9 amps and 979 watts. This has a fan only setting as well and a dehumidifier setting. Right now it's just on cool mode. And this was used as a basement dehumidifier for a short period of time. Seems to be sitting right about 8.9 amps and 975 watts. It's kind of bouncing around. That's where the amperage is at right now, 8.95. It's kind of bouncing around. And let's go to watts, 980 watts. I'm going to turn the fan up to medium speed. Let's see what kind of change we get with medium. That really didn't change a whole lot, but we're above 9 amps now. And 989 watts. Let's go to high speed. 9.14 amps. Going up a little bit. And 1000 watts. Back down to low. Okay, I think this one is all good to go. It seems to have built head pressure completely, or at least as much as it's going to get in this basement. Kind of hard to see the fan. Let me get my flashlight out again. There you go. I'm going to start it back up real quick just so you can hear the evaporator fan by itself. That's low speed. It's very quiet. High and medium.